What is up, guys? Today I have the honor and privilege of riding in a LPF Twin turbo car here. This is a 2018 10-speed. Should be pushing like anywhere from like 800 to up to like 1100 wheel horsepower with a click of a button. I think it has about 6 settings. It's a 65 millimeter turbo setup built by LPF here in Houston. I'm gonna pop the hood and show you guys in it, and then we're gonna go out and do some pulls. I got the GoPro on the back. I am very excited to be able to ride in one of these for the first time, and I can't wait. Alright, so as you can tell, can't really see the turbos on the car. That's because they're tucked under here by the transmission. I don't even know if you'll be able to see them under here. You can kind of glimpse this one down at the bottom. But they are pretty well hidden. It's got a big intercooler up front. Looks really good. So yeah, this is probably one of the faster cars I've ever ridden in my life, and I'm kind of ready to go get scared.
Good right here? Yeah. Am I good?
Setting 1. Oh my God. That was setting 3. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. This thing is retarded. Setting 5 on that. Oh my God. Alright, yeah, that was a very fast car I was just in last night. Definitely one of the fastest cars I've ever been in my life. LPF built the car really cool. For the price that you pay for, you get a lot. So I really enjoyed going for a ride in the car. It was super fun. Haven't been on YouTube in a while. I'm finally back, monetized, ready to go. Gonna be doing some review on this car right here. Badass little Cobra. Still got the ST over here. Nothing really changed on it. Just still out gapping people in it. But if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not following on Instagram, go ahead and do that as well. I will try to get some more videos up. It's been kind of like a hell week for me. Finals and school this semester were just kind of tough, and so I haven't been able to make any videos. I'll have a truck update here shortly of the red truck. If you want to go follow his YouTube, he has a YouTube page now. I will link that in the description, so go check it out, and I will see you guys in the next video.